Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the horizontal acceleration of this block is actually super fast if you focus on the right forces. Let's break this down together right now. First, we need to isolate the forces acting specifically in the horizontal direction. Since the pulling force is at an angle, we must use the cosine component to find its horizontal strength. Next, we subtract the friction force from that horizontal pulling component to find the net force. Newton's second law tells us that this net force must equal mass times the acceleration. Divide net force by mass to solve for acceleration. This leads directly to the correct expression in option D. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch your signs and trust given variables to find the right answer.